Alright guys, so we got the 2021 Mazda 3. This is the sedan with the turbo. 2.5 liter, so we're gonna do a little test drive. You guys can see the interior.
Look at the white leather.
How do you feel so far?
Comfortable ass seats. What can I say? We're about to take it for a little run and see how it handles. Right now it's not on sports mode, it's on normal mode. So let's see.
So this is the first Mazda 3 with the turbo in it, right?
Yeah, and all-wheel drive too.
Oh wow.
Jeez.
Wow. But I'm telling you guys, this car is very quiet. I mean, when you turn this car on, you don't even know it's on.
Alright, I'm gonna take a little rip at 20.
Okay, go. How do you feel?
Oh no, I have to.
You really gotta let it loose, you're saying. Woo!
Oh, a lot of grip.
Lots of grip. Woo! Now, how does this compare to yours?
A little bit faster, quieter, obviously, because it's a stock exhaust. But it pulls, man. It fucking pulls at the 3,000 RPM right after there. Let's see. Let's take another gander. I'm gonna do a little launch here.
Right here?
The stop sign. 3.
Woo! Oh, it grips. It grips.
No slippage.
It grips, yeah.
On my other car, it would probably slip because it's front-wheel drive, but this one has a four-wheel drive, so the handling is way better.
Yeah, hey, right away you notice that.
Yeah, handling is like effortlessly.
So
It's
quick.
quiet, eh?
Yeah,
Got
quick.
the red interior.
Even got the stitching or the embroidery on the headrest. I don't know if you guys can see. Nice interior.
Let's take a look at the navigation and shit. What do you think about this screen? The screen looks pretty high tech.
It does, yeah.
Shit.
It's like how it's like tucked in.
Try with manual mode. Okay, hear the exhaust a little bit. You ready?
Yeah, let's put down the window. Alright guys, exhaust sound.
Ready?
Put it right down. There we go. Yeah guys, so you can see the interior. You got all the options here. You got the manual option as well.
And you can like look at the. They can show you the view of like the back, front, eagle. See that shit?
Oh shit, got the eagle view.
It's digital, but it looks kind of analog a little bit.
Very cool. So what would you rate this?
Compared to mine?
Yeah, someone that's excited about the turbo Mazda 3. Everyone's been talking about it.
Jeez.
What do you think?
I can tell you right now, it ain't no Mazda Speed 3.
No,
But
eh?
it's definitely like it has a little zing to it. It has I don't know, man. It's smoother than my car. It feels heavier, but it's definitely faster. So if you have the 2.0 liter, this will definitely, you'll have way more fun than this, than the other generation.
In this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Less cabin noise too, for sure.
Definitely for sure. Well, this guy drives a little bit.
Side speakers here. Got one here, Bose on the side.
Oh yeah, we guys see got the Bose here.
Should just did a drag here.
Nice brushed aluminum or stainless, whatever. It's got a little bit more pull than yours. A little bit. Not much more though.
I don't know, I feel like this car's faster, bro.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think, like, I just don't see it, you know? Like, alright guys, so this is the 2021 Mazda 3 Turbo 2.5 liter. First look. Just a quick walk around. guys can see, we got the rims, the twin dual. So a quick look inside. So you guys can see inside.
Look at the stitching on this.
Oh, this is the 100-year anniversary. Take a quick look under the bonnet. Alright guys, there you have it. You got the Sky Active G Turbo. There you guys have it. So you guys can see the back seat. Very cool. Got the red leather. Let's take a look in the back seat, or in the back trunk. So it's pretty big still. Still quite a bit of space there. You guys can see all-wheel drive there. ...2021 guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been another one. Peace.